We all know how great the camera is on our iPhone, but have you ever wished you could make your photos look a little bit more retro? Perhaps like the Game Boy camera that came out in 1998? Well, I found this really cool app the other day called NeoCam, and it does exactly that. So the NeoCam app is free to use, but of course you can get a paid-for version that probably has more features. I'm just using the free one here. And when you open the app, you're straight into the camera mode, just like on the old Game Boy. You can then take a photo just like normal, but before you do that, you can also customize how the picture's going to come out. What colour scheme do you want? How pixelated do you want it to be? How about the exposure? Do you want to lighten or darken it? And you can use the little on-screen options and those free sliders to really create quite a nostalgic feeling picture. Then of course you can take a photo just like normal, but what's clever here is that once you've taken that photo you can still go back and edit any of those settings. Perhaps you want a brand new colour palette, or perhaps you want a bigger pixelated effect, or maybe less pixels. We can do all of that in editing straight after you've taken that photo. And then it will save straight to your camera roll, and you can post it wherever you like. If you want to see some other cool things your iPhone can do, check out this quick tip next.